so you got that so far. Want to get something else? You got another Ryan's little toy? Okay. So Faith, you got some cool little stuff from Claire's. Let me see what that is. It's Ryan's World, and it look like some nice teeth. Let me see what it is. Teeth? Let me see. Let me see. Faith loves Ryan. She's a fan of Ryan's World. Let me see. Oh, it looks like teeth and gums. That's really cool. Let me see. So it looks like teeth. This is really cool. Look at this. So let's open up this one. This one is Ryan's World. Seriously. Let me see. Figures. Let me see. Open it. You opened it? What is that? Let me help you. Let me see. Wow. Oh, it looks like a little person. Is that Ryan? Little action figure? Oh, it's like a squishy. That's really cool. Let me see. Can I touch it? Let me see. Oh, that's super cool. It's something like slime a little bit, but it's more like rubber. Let me see his face. Let me see his face. Let me touch it. Cool. Let me see Professor Ryan. Here he is. Professor Ryan. This is super cool.